Welcome to Uttara Shrini's kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Khichdi is an easy one-pot rice and lentil dish which can be made within minutes. This dish is widely prepared in many states in different styles. Today, I'm going to share a very delicious, protein-packed, healthy and nourishing khichdi recipe. Ingredients are rice, moong dal. You can substitute this with tur dal or red lentil, carrots, peas, ghee or clarified butter. You can also substitute this with regular cooking oil, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, curry leaves, cinnamon, hing or asafoetida, green chili, ginger, salt, turmeric, water and cilantro. Add rice and dal to a mixing bowl. Wash them at least 3 times and drain water completely. Set Instant Pot on saute mode. Add ghee. Add cinnamon sticks. Add mustard seeds, cumin seeds and curry leaf. Allow it to crackle. Add ginger and saute until fragrance comes. Add in the green chili and saute. Add the carrots, green peas, saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the drained rice and dal. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Add hing, turmeric powder, salt and mix well. Pour the water, stir well. Cook on high pressure for 8 minutes with the pressure valve in sealing position. Once the pressure releases naturally, open the lid. If you wish, you could add in 1 teaspoon of ghee on top of the hot khichdi along with some cilantro and mix it in. You could serve khichdi with kadhi, pickle, papad or plain yogurt. Today I'm serving khichdi with kadhi. If you like to know how to make this kadhi, watch my kadhi video. Thanks for watching. If you like my channel, like, share, comment, subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon to receive our updates.